Hi, welcome to Sunil Maths tutorial. Let us solve a problem from linear algebra from GATE 2018. Consider the subspaces W1 is equals to x1, x2, x3 belongs to R cube such that x1 is equals to x2 plus 2x3. W2 is equals to x1, x2, x3 belongs to R cube such that x1 is equals to 3x2 plus 2x3. Which are subspaces of R cube of R. You have to find the dimension of W1 plus W2. Dimension of W1 plus dimension of W1 plus W2. We know that the sum of two subspaces is again a subspace. The sum of two subspaces is again a subspace. That's why you can find the dimension of W1 plus W2. From this you observe that x1 is equals to x2 plus 2x3. So x2 and x3 are independent variables. x2 and x3 are independent variables. Among the three variables, two are independent variables. This gives us dimension of W1 is equals to 2. Dimension of W1 is equals to 2. From the second set, again you get x1 is equals to 3x2 plus 2x3. Again you observe that among the three variables x1, x2, x3, x1 depends upon x2 and x3. So there are two independent variables. From this you can write dimension of W2 is equals to 2. Dimension of W2 is equals to 2. Now we know that dimension of W1 and dimension of W2. You have to find W1 intersection W2 also. W1 intersection W2 means the set of all triads x1, x2, x3 which belongs to R cube and which satisfies both the conditions x1 is equals to x2 plus 2x3 and x1 is equals to 3x2 plus 2x3. From this definition we conclude that these two terms are coincides. x1 here, x1 here. So calculate this. x2 plus 2x3 is equals to 3x2 plus 2x3. 2x3 get cancelled on both sides. x2 is equals to 3x2. This gives a result of x2 is equals to 0. x2 is equals to 0. If x2 is equals to 0, then what is x1? Then x1 is equals to 2x3. Now this ordered pair in W1 intersection W2, the ordered triad x1, x2, x3 in W1 intersection W2 can be written as x1 is equals to 2x3, x2 value 0, you put it is x3. It means x3, by making x3 common, you get this term 2, 0, 1. It means every element of W1 intersection W2 can be written as a linear combination of 2, 0, 1. From this calculation you conclude that dimension of W1 intersection W2 is equals to 1. Yes, now we have all the values, dimension of W1, dimension of W2 and dimension of W1 intersection W2. What is the original formula? Dimension of W1 plus W2, dimension of W1 plus W2 is equals to dimension of W1 plus dimension of W2 minus dimension of W1 intersection W2. One of the very important formula in linear algebra according to basis and dimension. Dimension of W1 plus W2 is equals to dimension of W1 plus dimension of W2 minus dimension of W1 intersection W2. We know all the values. 2 plus 2 minus 1. You get 2 plus 2 minus 1. Finally you get 3. So the dimension of W1 plus W2 is nothing but 3. Observe that.